Sony has quietly released a camera that seems to answer almost every frustration creators have had for years, but without flashy marketing or exaggerated specs. The A7V is not about making dramatic leaps. It's about refinement and practicality, offering improvements that genuinely enhance the shooting experience for both photographers and videographers. At first glance, it feels very familiar, reminiscent of the A7 IV, but with subtle enhancements that make it more polished and user-friendly. Sony's focus here isn't on reinventing the wheel, but on perfecting the tools creators already rely on daily. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the autofocus system. The A7V uses Sony's latest AI-driven AF chip, the same technology powering higher-end models like the A12 and A93. This brings faster subject detection, smarter tracking, and much better consistency with moving subjects. In wide area continuous mode, the camera locks onto targets with impressive confidence, and in locked-on mode, it can ignore distractions, which is especially useful in crowded streets or during portrait sessions. While portrait photographers might not feel a huge difference from the A7 IV, those shooting wildlife, travel, or fast-moving subjects will notice the system's enhanced reliability. Essentially, the A7V positions itself as a versatile all-rounder, capable of handling dynamic, unpredictable scenarios. Sony chose to retain the 33-megapixel resolution, which turns out to be a smart decision. It's a sweet spot, offering detailed images suitable for commercial work, cropping flexibility, and crisp portraits while keeping file sizes manageable. Real-world images reveal rich detail, realistic skin tones, and impressive dynamic range. The raw files are robust and responsive to color grading, reflecting Sony's matured color science. This makes the camera an excellent tool for photographers who need both quality and workflow efficiency. Speed is another area where the A7V shines. With a mechanical shutter, it can shoot up to 10 frames per second in lossless RAW, handling about 180 images before the buffer slightly slows things down. Even when shooting RAW to dual card slots, the blackout is minimal, making it practical for hybrid shooters. Switching to the electronic shutter pushes the frame rate to a staggering 30 frames per second. The buffer handles around 40 RAW files before slowing, and full 14-bit files are maintained throughout. Features like pre-capture at 30 frames per second, blackout-free shooting with the electronic shutter, and customizable speed boost frame rate toggles may seem small individually, but together, they make shooting significantly faster, smoother, and more intuitive. In terms of stabilization, the A7V offers up to 7.5 stops of in-body stabilization, which proved highly effective in handheld testing, particularly with lenses like the 35mm f/1.4 GM and 85mm f/1.4 GM2. Dynamic active stabilization for video provides smoother footage when walking or vlogging, cropping slightly for steadiness, but greatly enhancing overall stability. These incremental improvements can make a noticeable difference for handheld creators, ensuring stable, professional-looking results without extra equipment. Sony has also addressed a long-standing user complaint with the screen design. The A7V now combines a flip-out and tilt screen, giving creators the convenience of a forward-facing display for vlogging while retaining the traditional tilt functionality for precise, low, or high-angle shots. The body itself remains compact and familiar at 695 grams, retaining dual card slots, excellent battery life, a full-size HDMI port, MIC and headphone jacks, and 2 USB-C ports. One trade-off is the discontinuation of micro USB, which affects older grips and accessories, but the move to dual USB-C represents an overall upgrade for modern workflows. Video capabilities see meaningful refinement, too. The A7V now records full-frame 4K at 60p, eliminating the need for a second camera, just for slow-motion footage. It also allows 4K 120p in APS-C mode and supports loading custom LUTs for on-screen color grading. While it doesn't match some competitors in extreme video specs, no internal RAW recording, no 8K, no open-gate shooting, it excels in reliability, rolling shutter reduction, and color quality. Rolling shutter has improved dramatically, measuring around 14.6 milliseconds in 4K 25p, compared to 26 milliseconds on the A7 IV. Motion looks cleaner, pans are smoother, and handheld video feels more natural. Audio receives thoughtful updates as well, including wind noise reduction and noise cut for both internal and external mics, making outdoor recording significantly cleaner. Overheating has also been addressed. The A7V comfortably records 4K 25p for over 90 minutes in 32 degrees Celsius heat, and 4K 50p full frame for nearly an hour before shutting down, a major improvement over the A7 IV and Canon R6 Mark III. The camera now performs comparably to the A7S III in full frame 50p conditions, showcasing Sony's focus on practical reliability rather than flashy, headline-grabbing features. Ultimately, the question of whether to upgrade depends on your needs. For reviewers and creators who require the latest body for accurate testing, the A7V is a clear yes. For photographers already using an A7 IV, particularly for portrait work, the A7V may not feel revolutionary. Instead, it represents thoughtful refinement, better autofocus, improved rolling shutter, faster shooting, full-frame 4K 60p, enhanced stabilization, more robust overheating management, and a versatile flip-tilt screen. These are practical, meaningful upgrades rather than flashy leaps. Sony has reached a stage where each new camera isn't about chasing extreme specs, but about polishing the experience. The A7V is designed to make shooting feel easier, more intuitive, and more confident, offering creators a subtle but significant boost in their workflow. With a launch price of $4,699 Australian dollars, around $2,899 US, it sits comfortably as a competitive hybrid flagship. The camera's performance in low light remains exceptional, preserving detail and keeping noise under control across the ISO range. In essence, the A7V isn't a dramatic release, but it's a deeply practical one. It caters to creators who value speed, stability, and reliability, offering a familiar but refined experience that quietly elevates your photography and videography without forcing a change in how you shoot. For many, it's exactly the camera they've been waiting for, providing meaningful improvements that enhance everyday shooting without demanding compromise. The Sony A7V is the embodiment of maturity in camera design, polished, reliable, and intuitive. For those who care about subtle workflow improvements and real-world performance, it's a breath of fresh air. For those already satisfied with the A7 IV, it's a reminder that even a great tool can be refined, and that small improvements, when thoughtfully implemented, can make a world of difference. Would you like me to also create a condensed, punchy 400-word version optimized for YouTube video description or social media posts?